What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. I don't really have anything planned today. I look constantly online looking for car meets and stuff to film. I didn't have anything to film. I'm gonna make a video. I'm about to take this thing out and drive it, I guess. I haven't driven it in like 2 weeks, I guess you could say. So, with that being said, I gotta move this car out there, warmed up, and then I don't know, see what we can get into today. All right, guys, I filmed that whole montage and it just rained before I took the car out. So with that being said, it's the next morning now, 6 in the morning, and I'm gonna take this thing out for y'all. A little early morning drive video is what I'm gonna give y'all. So I hope y'all enjoy, and yeah, let's get this cool. It feels so good out here today. Nice morning, nice breeze. You got the dew still on the grass. Oh. Feels nice. Shifting them gears. Third gear. Bop. Excuse me. I don't know if the pops are coming up on camera or not. Look, there's nobody out. Perfect time to get in your car and just enjoy life. Hey, back when I was in high school, I used to go down the same route almost every week in my my Honda. So it's kind of funny to be driving in the 335 now. It's kind of made full circle. So I'm gonna take y'all with me on this little route I used to go on. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. Is it a valid route or not? Downshift. Yeah. Look how nice it is out. Sun coming up. Dang, the Corvettes. Sometimes you just gotta get in the car early morning, drive, be one with nature. I'm trying to tell y'all, man, this is it right here. This is my therapy right here. Dude, the car's so loud, dude. I know somebody's waking somebody up. Hey, man, you gotta wake up anyways, man. It's Sunday. Enjoy life. Man, dude, any day God wakes me up, bro, is a blessing, for real. This car isn't a Bugatti, it's not a Lamborghini, but man, the fact that I have access to even drive something like this that makes me smile is just the greatest thing. You see how I'm not even burbling anymore? That's what I like about this car. You can make it do it, you can make it stop. If you got somebody in the car with you trying to talk, you can make it shut up. And then just by one downshift, this thing is back in all action again. Watch. Third gear. Yeah. Had to snap a quick photo because it looked cool to take a photo on the bridge. I'm gonna post the photo right here so you can see it on my Instagram. All right, back to our scheduled program. I'm trying to tell y'all, bro, the KW's undefeated. Undefeated. Hold up. I had to park real fast. Look at this. I mean, isn't this what life is about? Oh my gosh, bro. Look at this. Sick. Oh, wow. This is beautiful. 335. I mean, views on views out here. Look at this side. Man, the world is so beautiful, man. God did his thing. God did his thing. This is crazy. This is crazy. This water's moving pretty fast. I ain't gonna lie. It's like a strong tide. This little muddy water. That 335 though. The 335 kind of going crazy. Kind of going crazy. But let me get in the car before our car comes. But yeah, this is beautiful. Man, even look at that little canal area right there. Wow, that's crazy. Was my route that I took valid? 10 out of 10 morning drive or nah? Y'all do something else. Y'all let me know. Appreciate you guys following the channel, following this journey. And I'm gonna keep going up, like I said. And let's go ahead and get it. I'll see y'all later. See y'all in the next one. Appreciate it.